How to create location shortcut on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your Android device and hold on to the home screen. After that, at the bottom, click on Widgets. In Widgets, you'll find different options. Scroll down till you find Google Maps option. In here, scroll to the left and you will find Share Location. Click on Share Location. After you've clicked on it, hold on to it and move around in your home screen where you want it to be. After you do that, when you click on it, it will lead you to your location. And this is how to create a location shortcut on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.